Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up for Merrick Bank online banking account. Merrick Bank is FDIC issued and recognized as top credit issuer bank. Now to sign up for your Merrick Bank, make sure to open one preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.merrickbank.com. You will be led to the official page of Merrick Bank. Now at the top, you can see the option customer login. You need to click over there. Now you will be led to this page. Now at the right side, you can see the option not enrolled, sign up now. You need to click over there. Now here you need to write down your account number. Likewise your first name, your middle initial only if it appears on your statement. Likewise your last name. Likewise you need to write down the last 4 PIN number of your SSN. Likewise you need to choose your date of birth. Now here you need to choose your state. For this video we are choosing Florida. After you are done writing your information, you can simply click on next. After that, you will be directed to the next page where you need to enter your credentials related to your personal ID and your card. You need to enter all the details. With this, you need to verify your account. To do that, you will receive one-time code on your mail address. Now, open your mail and look for the code. Then enter the code on the given box. Then after that, you will need to look after all your terms and conditions. And after agreeing on all the terms and conditions, you will be led to the next step where you need to set your user ID and a very strong password for yourself. After that, you will be successfully registered as a new Merrick Bank user. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.